journal video. I will be using my watercolor art journal today. These are watercolor papers. I will be trying something I have not tried before, and for that, because I don't have my distress inks here, I will be using this color. I will be using this color and this color for doing some sort of shading. So let's get started. First I will just give them some moisture. Then I will be using this stencil. This is a craft angle stencils, and I will be using the cloud edge for creating the clouds. So let's get started. The first thing I will do is I have this brush with me, and let's see if this is just an experiment. I just want to see if we get successful with it or not. So I'm taking the color, a bit more, and then I'm going to see if we can pull this. Okay. That seems to be working. I'm liking it. Let's put more color. That is going to be a very lengthy procedure, I assume. But then, if you need let me just try this and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking the variation I'm getting. So now I can move on to the other color. I can clean it up. Oops. I can clean up this. I can put up some pink or mix pink here. Add some water to it. Just experimenting. Let's see how it goes. Right. Okay, so you can see it's giving nice variations of clouds. So let me finish this up and I'll get back to you. Okay, looks good. I'm liking it. See, it's looking beautiful for the first layer. Okay, so now it's time to clean up. Okay, we can keep it aside. Texture on it. Again, I will be using my Kaiser Craft Trusty this, and I will be using Sepia archival ink. Yeah, so just giving some textures. It's fun, you know, trying out this fun ways of doing getting some vintage kind of look to the page and clean it up. Always clean up your mess. Okay, this is done, and there's no harm giving it. Now we are at it, so we can obviously give some border to the page. Let's do it. Alright, looks nice. Now I have to write some code. So for code, I have this big bundle of paper, so I will be trying which one will go with it. So this is white. White is always a good choice, but let's try something different today. Let me see. How about this? This looks good. I think we can put some blue strips because obviously it's a sky thing. So let's keep it that way. Here is blue. And now I have to find a coat. So let me find a coat and I'll come back. Okay, so this is going to be my coat. Where is my scissors? Oh, it is. So let's just start. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay. Don't just fly. So, okay, I think it's looking nice. And now it needs an element. Here is the element. I have created this by hand. As you can see, there's some pencil marks here. So this I have created by myself, and it's going to be the focal point in my art journal. Yep. So let me just start gluing it all down. So this is a quick art journal. Well, not so quick, but this is the art journal which I have done for today. And today is 19th. And here's the up close and personal. I'm loving how these clouds are showing up, and then this text is just giving enough texture on it. And to see all these this texture of clouds, I am loving it everywhere. So that's it, guys. This is all what I have for today. This is what I created. It's if you like it, please share with friends, spread the word, spread it with friends, support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.